Hello and welcome to another MSSC Tech Short. Today's demonstration with the SmartJet 1 controller will address the correct printer settings to use for the internal encoder and internal sensor on your SmartJet printhead. Let us get started by looking at the home screen of the SmartJet 1 controller. Please select the settings icon from the home screen. We will use it to configure the controller properly. When you are inside the settings menu, please select the wrench and screwdriver icon to reveal the system settings. In the system settings, there are two items that need attention. One is the encoder, and the other is print mode. For the encoder, click the internal tab. A speed setting of 10 meters per minute is usually suitable for most situations. You can increase or decrease this number based on the speed of an item as it passes by the printhead. If the printed message appears too short or too long, you can adjust the speed to compensate for the length. Now we will adjust the print mode by clicking the Sensor tab. Once you are inside the Sensor tab, please select Internal as the sensor mode. This will allow the software to activate the built-in sensor when the controller is set to print mode. In the Sensor tab of the print mode, you can use the Repeat Sensor feature to determine how many prints occur per sensor trigger. Setting it to 0 results in 1 print, while setting it to 1 results in 2 prints per trigger. Increase it only if you need multiple prints on the same object. The sensor is located just below the face of the cartridge on the printhead. While on the topic of the sensor, let's briefly discuss how to adjust the sensitivity of the photo eye. I have positioned a white box in front of the printhead. Watch as I slowly move the box away from the printhead. I'll adjust the photo eye sensitivity using a small screwdriver, turning clockwise to increase and counterclockwise to decrease sensitivity. The sensor dial has maximum and minimum stopping points that you can feel while turning the screwdriver. Avoid damaging the dial by stopping if you encounter solid resistance when adjusting it in either direction. Repeat the process of fine-tuning the photo eye sensitivity with a screwdriver while adjusting the distance of your object from the sensor until you are content with its response. That's it. Now you know how to set up your printer on the SmartJet 1 controller using the internal sensor and encoder. We hope this helps, and as always, happy printing! From MSSC.